with healthcare businesses aiming to achieve a similar level of service deliverability as the hospitality industry, bringing accountability and transparency in managing these services becomes paramount. Operationally, every healthcare business faces the following issues on a daily basis. Fulfillment of patient requests like these require the nurse to remember the same and assign this to a designated staff. There are a lot of chances that this request will be missed. Same is the case with requests from hospital staff, who need to place requests for clinical as well as non-clinical material. Manual filling of such requests is time-consuming and status tracking becomes tedious. Also, patients and visitors have to rely on availability of hospital staff to place service requests. Depending on their availability, the waiting time in some of these cases can be high, which can significantly impact overall patient experience. These are some of the typical scenarios which are quite common in any healthcare setup. These are not just operational issues, but they alone impact your patient and visitor experience and affect your brand value. On top of that, these bring in operational inefficiencies impacting your staff productivity as well as critical hospital operations. Presenting an innovative self-service request management system, built specifically for healthcare businesses to help you improve your service deliverability and enhance patient experience. Workflow of the system is quite simple. Hospital rooms, common areas and other locations are tagged with a QR code. Patients, employees and visitors can scan this QR code and raise a service request on their own without depending on the availability of the hospital staff. Apart from QR code, patients and visitors can raise a request using SMS or self-service kiosks that can be installed at various locations. The requests raised are automatically assigned to specific departments with predefined SLAs, ensuring faster resolution of your requests. With the system in place, consider a visitor coming to your hospital and without depending on availability of hospital staff, he could request a wheelchair or stretcher for the patient. No more waiting for hospital staff to get his request fulfilled. Or let's take the example of the attendant with your patients. They have to rely on nurses or hospital staff for trivial services like cleaning, etc. With this in place, they can place these requests on their own with status updates and progress tracking for housekeeping supervisors, helping you improve your service deliverability and enhance patient experience. The system helps businesses at 3 levels in optimizing their daily operations. For patients and visitors, it allows them to create requests without waiting for hospital staff with real-time progress tracking of their requests. In case of unsatisfactory resolution, they have an option to raise a complaint, allowing better service deliverability. For hospital staff, it allows them to manage their tasks more efficiently as the system generates tasks based on patient or visitor requirements. Also, with real-time progress updates, they can keep patients informed about the status of their requests, so that they do not lose patients. For hospitals, it gives you an overview about your operations and how efficiently your staff is managing their part and how productive your operations team is. With detailed insights, you can optimize the number of staff, define better SLAs, incentivize performance of employees and much more. Contact us to schedule a demo and see how our patient engagement platform can help you improve your overall patient satisfaction quotient.